Sup, y'all? Today we're going to be covering what I think is probably one of the coolest features of the Microsoft February Power BI update. It's not a big flashy one. It's not a new thing that's going to completely change everything, but I do think it's a unbelievable quality of life improvement. And this is something that I saw from Eric Sven on LinkedIn. So I'll go ahead and I'll put his LinkedIn right above my LinkedIn down in the video description. So go check those out. But yeah, here's the feature. It's super simple, but it's a great quality of life improvement. So when you're in Power BI and in table view, when you used to right click and then go copy, you used to essentially copy either the entire column or the entire table. Now you can click here and you can click copy value. Now, why is that great? That's great because when you're building out a semantic model, there's a lot of times that you want to look into a specific ID or just kind of interact with the data that Power BI has brought in. And now you can copy it and you can bring it over into a SQL server. So this is going to make my life way easier, especially when I'm building out new semantic models. And it was such an untalked about thing that I felt the need to share it here. It's the little things that make you happy in life. So that if you're interested in Power BI, Python, SQL, my ramblings, please consider subscribing and liking this video. It really helps out the channel. We're on our way to almost 1,600 subscribers, so that's pretty exciting. And thank you for all of you that have decided to join me and subscribe. I really appreciate it. It means a lot.